October 29th, 2023. Tyler Hayes here, 1706. Southbound on the way to M357 at Murry. Let's check them out on the road, boys, and lean back and get them. Let's go. 38, 93 again. It's the counterpart of M356 51. Already. To yard and Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. We'll head it out from our construction home in Illinois. And we're going up the point yard to Stevens Point. We're on south. This will have a TPU. That's 3301 again! Second time around already! Wonderful! C6 Murry, 3301 again! Take that! Said it was the second time seeing that one! It's like 3305 that I saw in the 357. It's last 356. Mounted on TCGX 982 845. How about that? And that will do it for the M356 51 of the 28th. And we'll do it for the 3093 and the C6 Murry build of the 3301. How about that? And that will do it for this video at Ladysmith. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great evening. I'll see you next time, and I hope I'll see you along the main line. Tyler Hayes out.